We now have subscription triggers in workflows. This feature enables businesses to automate processes based on changes in subscription status, enhancing workflow automation and customer communication. Let's talk about those benefits. First of all, this is going to automate your process management. Businesses can now automate actions triggered by subscription status changes. This is going to enhance customer communication. Businesses can now craft personalized messages tailored to different subscription scenarios. It's also going to give you flexible workflow customization. This offer is going to allow conditional options, allowing businesses to create perfectly tailored workflows. Now, let's talk about that personal and practical use. Now, let's say you're a small business leveraging subscriptions in general. Now, this subscription trigger can help you manage those membership subscriptions much more efficiently. For instance, upon a member's subscription renewal, your CRM can actually automatically send a personalized email with updates and even exclusive offers, fostering member loyalty and retention. One of the things I like about this, as somebody who runs a lot of memberships, this is really great to keep people's credit cards up to date. If their credit card fails, this is a great way to let them know that has happened and get them to quickly update that credit card. Now, let's talk about where that's located. First of all, this is going to be under automation. You're going to go ahead into workflows and you're going to create a new workflow. As always, you can pick a template or start from scratch. For this, I really think it's best just to start from scratch. Now you're going to go ahead and select the subscription trigger, which is the new trigger added to the CRM. And you're going to choose subscription. So from here, you're going to click on the add filters. And now you're going to select the filter of status. Now that status can be is empty, is not, or is not empty. That is going to be related to the status of their subscription. The next box that is going to pop up is going to be giving you the options of active, canceled, expired, failed, incomplete, overdue. And so you're going to go ahead and choose from there. Now go ahead and add those custom filters again. And we can specifically choose a global product. And now let's go ahead and set our action. So this can be send email, it could be send SMS. Choose really what's best for you. Of course, with any of our messages that we're going to send out, we can utilize those custom values so that is perfectly made just for that user. Now what's great is we can also select payments in this. Now let's go ahead and select the subscription. From there, let's go ahead and select the subscription custom value. So this can be the currency, the amount, anything that is related to that currency custom value. Now I'm going to have you go out and I'm actually going to have you access those templates. This is an area where you can really customize specific templates that you can select and add to any of your workflows. This works with any of our workflows that you can actually utilize a template so that there's only one place you need to make those updates. If you'd like to use templates, go ahead and go into marketing, go into emails, and go into templates. Now you can go ahead and select a payment custom value, and you can customize this completely so that you're not just doing it inside of the workflow builder. You can actually customize this so that it is perfect and you can use it over and over again. Same within the workflow, we now have the subscription custom values right inside of those templates. This feature update empowers businesses to automate processes even more than before, customizing customer communications and streamlining your workflows. This is going to help you enhance your management based on subscription status changes, ultimately enhancing efficiency and customer engagement. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.